Good morning children, welcome to video class children. Children, today I am going to explain you in lesson 4 subtraction a new concept children. This is a jumble of addition and subtraction children. Addition and subtraction, this is called simplification method. What is the name of the method children? Simplification method. See children, in lesson 4 subtraction in page 125 we have these sums children. Simplify the following. 1 or 2 I will show you children. See. Simplify the following. Simplify the following. From A, I will show you children. First, A bit 24,492 plus 15,498 minus 20,224. First we should do these two. We should add children. Then we should subtract 20,000 from what we have got the sum. From that sum we should subtract 20,000 children. See, A bit I am showing children, A bit. See, first we should write these two children. 24,492 plus 15,498. What are we doing? Addition. So, we should write the plus sign. Now, ones, tens, hundreds, see children, thousands and 10,000s. From ones column, every time we should start from ones column. So 2 plus 8, 10. So ones, 0 we should write and 1 you carry there. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 1 you carry here in hundreds column. And 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. And 4 plus 5, 9. And 2 plus 1, 3. What the answer we got children? The answer 39,990. After adding these both, we got the sum 39,990. 39,990 we should write here children. 39,990. And what we should subtract from this, both the sum we should subtract 20,224. 20,324. What are we doing? Subtraction. So we should write minus sign. Now here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. See children, from 0 minus 4, 0 has no value. So we should take from here 1. In 10 minus 4, 6. 8 minus 2, 6. And 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 0, 0 has no value. So 9 will be the answer. And 3 minus 2, 1. What is the answer children? 19,766. Ultimately we got, by adding these both with that sum, we subtracted 20,224. So the answer is 19,766. This is the simplification method children. By the help of this you can do B bit and C bit also children. And D bit, another one is there, another just it is changed. So I'll show you D bit. With the help of the D bit you can do E bit also children. So A, B, C, by the help of A you do B, C children. D bit I am showing. D bit just some variation is there. 2,49,666 plus 3,79,492 minus 4,92,392 plus 2,54,862. 862. These sums are in page 125. See children, this is D bit and D bit same model. This we should add these both and these both. With these sums we should mind subtract children. So I will start once. 2,49,000. 2,49,666 and 3,79,492. What we should do children? These both we should add. Children. So, see children. 6 plus 2, 8. 6 plus 9, 15. 1 you carry here in hundreds column. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. And 9 plus 9, 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. And again you carry in 1. 1 plus 4, 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Again what we should do children? 2 plus again 3 plus 3, 6. What we got the answer children? 6,29,158. Again, these both we should add children. These both we should add. See children, 4,92,392 and 2,54,862. Addition side. 2 plus 2, 4. 9 plus 6, 15. 1. 3 plus 8. 3 plus, in hundreds column, 3 plus 8. 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Again 1. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 9 plus 5, 14. 1. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7,46,254. See children, 6,29,158. What we should do children now? These both we have did addition. We got this, and this one these both we have addition. We did addition. We got this sum. So in middle, what is this? In middle children, subtraction sign. Subtraction. We should subtract this sum from that sum. So 7,47,254. This one sum, and 6,29,158. What we should do children? In subtraction. So now ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. 4 minus 8. 4 minus 8. 4 is small number. We can't subtract from 4, 8. So we should borrow. 14. 14 minus 8, 6. And 4 minus 5. Again 4 is a small number. So we should borrow. 14 minus 5, 9. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 7 minus 9. Again 7 is a small number. So we should borrow. 17 minus 9, 8. Again 3 minus 2, 1. 7 minus 6, 1. What is the answer children? 1,18,096. This is the simplification method children. After first we added these numbers and that numbers. So with the help of the sum we subtracted. At the end we got this answer children. With the help of this we can do EBIT also children. Page 125 sums. You do the notes children. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.